In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off adaptive brightness. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to tap on Display. When you're ready, use this switcher next to adaptive brightness, right under brightness slider, to either turn it on or switch it off. If you want to, you can also go into Tap menu. To do that, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. Then hold brightness slider. And when you see this pop up, enable or disable adaptive brightness over here. Wherever you decided, make sure to save your changes by tapping on Done. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!